financial planning help us to move from dependence to abundance. The financial planning always the effect with the cash flow. The cash flow in the sense the how much cash you are having. It means what is cash in hand, cash at back, your investments, your deposits, all kind of cash related and bank related activities. Depends on the how much you are having the cash, determine where you are standing. Each and every position what you are having that depend on how we are handling the cash, what is your cash position on that. If you look at the situation, the how your dependence to abundance, it will shows in the 6 stages. Number 1, financial dependence. Number 2, financial survival. Number 3, financial stability. Number 4, financial comfort. Number 5, financial independence. Number 6, financial abundance. Each and every stage they wanted to move on to the next step. So each and every step we'll see how it works. If you look at the first stage, financial dependence. Financial dependence, they don't have any other source of income. They're depending on the others. They may be parents or any other source of income. They are not earning anything on that. They shows negative cash flow. They don't have any cash. They may be always having the debt. Each and everyday activities, they have to buy something from others. Someone has to fund for them. Number 2, financial survival. The survival, the positions, the whatever the income comes, almost equal to the expenses. They don't have any other surplus. If any emergency situation comes, they have to go for a loan. The income and the expenses almost is similar to that. If in case of any immediate requirement, they want to look in for some other option on that. Or sometimes it's lesser than the income or lesser than the expenses also. If you look at the stage, financial stability. This stage, somewhat they having very good cash flow. That means the income is little bit higher than the expenses. They can able to manage things in a somewhat better manner, so they can able to comfort with the small savings. They can able to afford for some expenses on that. There may be quite savings that will help you for the futuristic point of view also. They may be having the cash flow, the little bit taking care of the children education or their marriage purpose, that will be working for that. Number 4, financial comfort level. Financial comfort level, they may be having well settled and there may be a lot of savings. They may be having investments options and their cash flow is a very good cash flow, I can say that. Because based on they may be having the future is predicted on that. They may be retirement funds. They may be looking for the long-term perspective. Long-term perspective, they may be invested. They can able to get the money from that. In case of any emergency, they can plan for that. They don't have any debt. So the savings will help you to take care of in future. And the 5th one is financial independence. Financial independence is a good cash flow. I can say great cash flow. They're having the very good cash. The money, they work for them. They created the system. Someone is always working for them. They did not to bother about the money. Even though they are sleeping, someone will make money for them. It's a kind of entrepreneur. They're creating the company, someone is always working for them. So it's not dependent on himself. It's a dependence, it goes always out of that actually. So he need not to bother about that. He is having very good cash flow on that. Number 6 is a financial abundance. These are the top stage. The money does not matter for them because the money is flooded. Their priority is not only money, the status, fame, everything goes beyond that level. Money is always work for them. Money will make money. If you have some money, 100 crores, they'll invest it again, they'll make additional 10%, that means 10 crores. Each and every stage, they will make money. So their status entirely different from the others. Their cash flow, wealthy cash flow. Their day-to-day activities, they least bother about things. If you look at the things, how the negative cash flow to wealthy cash flow, the movements, it's determine where you stand. Each and every stage, they wanted to move from next stage to next stage. But most of the time, every people dream stage is 4th and 5th. But almost everyone, they stick to the not beyond the 3rd stage. That means first one is a dependence and survival and stability. Beyond the level, very difficult to move on to the status, financial status on that. If you have the based on the 6 stages only, they're classified as whether it's poor or rich or upper middle class, they everything classified based on the 6 stages of financial progress. We have to think through which stage we are in this, whether we can move to the next step. Are we taking any step to move on to the next level? Yes, you have to think through and move on to the next step.